Hi friends, now I will show you the solution which I asked in my group, and one of our friend asked another query to find out the missing numbers over here. It can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. I'll keep it over here. It can be anything. So we have to find the only the missing number which is not available here in this page. Before starting this, I will show you this one which I posted in the group. Okay, what the correct answer is 3. How? This is 12 p.m. and this is 12 p.m. and this is 12 p.m. Remaining only 12 p.m. So already I posted this one. So one of our friend asked this query, how to find only the number, the value will be greater than 12. If it is already another 12 p.m. is there, so we have to find only this 12 p.m. Right? Totally 3 are there. See. Now, I will show you how to do this one with only countif I said. Now, what you'll do, countif of this range, and I am telling to function that look up the exact, this indicates in a countif function that exactly what I mean to ask, that is greater than 12 p.m. It is also under the, wait a minute, it was under this one because the text, right? We are concatenating these two things and asking countif function to count only greater than 12 p.m. Let us check whether it is working or not. See, this indicates exactly what I mean to say to the Excel, that is equal sign. So Excel will understand that we have to look up only this greater than 12 p.m. If you'll do normally, what will happen? Let's see. Like this. So you have to add this one. I think you understood, or any doubts in this. Later I will go to finding missing numbers from the range. If it is okay, then I will go to this one. Any doubts, Gautam? Right. I think he is busy with some work. Okay. You talk. Now we have to find the missing numbers. So I have seen this one. So if it is greater than 1 means it's a missing number. But unable to find what is the number actually. We are understood that there is some number is missing. That is, after 3, there should be a 4 years. After 3, but how can we get that one? So here I will find the solution, how to do this one. First of all, what you'll do, the number starts with 1. Okay. So I'm adding like this, ampersand, and find still how many numbers, we don't know still how many numbers. So what I'll do, I will keep a function called max, F4. So from starting to maximum of numbers, what is the maximum number? We doesn't know. It may be 10, it may be 20, or it may be more than 100 also. But we doesn't know till how many. So we have to use this function. So it will look like this, F9, 1 to 216 numbers. But we have to extract those numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So what I'll do for that, there is a function called row, open the bracket, indirect, close bracket. Now it will understand to evaluate the numbers between 1 to 216. F9. Okay, it is asking, okay, where I went, okay. F9, see, it is showing from 1 to 216. From 12216 it will show. Otherwise, it will not understand that we have to, because we have to find that. So what I'll do here, I'll copy this one because I need this function. What I'll do, matching of those numbers with this number. Because we got all numbers starting from 1 to 216. Now I am matching those numbers with this, comma 0. F9. Wherever it finds the number, it will give us the position that you are having this number. And wherever number is not found, it will give us the error. Right. It's saying that we can't find that number which you are searching for. Now, what I'll do, I'm interested in errors because we are searching for the numbers which is not found in a range. Is NA. I'm asking, is there any NA over here? F9. So wherever it finds the error, it will show us the true and remaining are all falses. So we are interested in true, but not the falses. So what I'll do here, if it is NA, so pick up every number which I copied just now from 1 to 216. Wherever it finds the missing number, it will pick up that corresponding number from there. F9. Wait a minute. I'm giving all the numbers where I used for lookup value, these numbers from 1 to 216. So I'm telling the Excel to pick up the corresponding numbers. I'll press enter and I'll show you. Pick up the corresponding numbers. Where it is. Okay, from here I'll show you. Logic test. F9. So wherever it finds the true, it will pick up the corresponding numbers. And the whole thing I'll show you F9 to evaluate. Here's some problem. Here's some problem. I will show you. Here I'll show you. F9. So wherever it finds the wherever it finds the true, it will pick up the corresponding number. That is, the 4 is missing. Here 4 is missing. Like that, it will pick up the corresponding numbers where it is error. And that too, it's a true. Because we used is NA function over there. Right. Now, what I'll do here, escape, F2. I want to extract each and every number which are showing over there. So I will use only one function that is called small. If from rows, first smallest, second smallest, third smallest, like this. M $3 colon M3. Now it's become an array function. So I'm using Control, Shift, and Enter. Now it pick up the numbers which are missing in a range. Till 188 is missing, 187 missing, 186 missing. See. These are the numbers missing. If I enter 4 here, what will happen? Let's see. It will give 5. So easily we can find it out that some number is missing over. What are the numbers? Here is the numbers. Thank you. And if you have any doubts, I'll keep my group link below in the video. Just go to there and click on join in my group. And weekly once I will post a test. And that only interview questions from the reputed companies. Thank you guys.